How about we do a little metal detecting? We have absolutely positively got to take advantage of this weather. We had a sunny day yesterday. We've had horrific rainy season and the ground has dried a little bit today. We have another big storm coming in a few days. So let's take advantage of it. Let's go swing out the detector and see what we can find today. Let's go. We'll just roll over to the park today. It's a beautiful day. This is where I've had some of my greatest finds over here. Not over there in the park itself, but over here in these tree wells. But I'm going to give this a good going over. The closer you get to where cars park, the more action that you have with people dropping coins out of their pockets when they get their keys and stuff like that, and other goodies. So let's gear up and give it a shot. Looks like we got our first signal here. Ground is super soft, and there we go, right there. Dug it right out. It's nothing fancy. Just one of those zinc pennies, but we're on the board. I'm out here on the sidewalk, and I'm getting a signal there's something down here. Whatever it is, it seems kind of like big. I don't know. Let's see. Funky weed. Oh man, this is really tough digging. Look at that, I'm weeding too. That looks like, I thought there was a coin there. Let's see. Oh, I hope it's not a sprinkler head. I don't know. Shouldn't have to be digging this much. The heck is that? Oh, it looks like a... What the heck is that? I don't know what that... Whatever it is, it's very old school looking, isn't it? Maybe a piece of jewelry or something. We'll have to clean that up later and maybe take a look at that. That's pretty wild looking. Once again, you'll notice I'm on the sidewalk, on the tree well here, between the sidewalk and the street. Always the coolest stuff. We got another signal right in here. I hope I didn't kick it out. I might have. Let's sweep the detector over. It's like right up in here. Oh, there it is. Yay. We got ourselves a nice shiny dime. Always make sure to sweep the area again. Okay, what do we got here? We got another dime. Never walk away from an area after you have a find. You might be walking away from a lot of a coin spill or something good. Okay, we got that one. I'm Getting another signal out by this redwood stump here. Look at how red that is. Let's see what that is. Oh boy, great. Bottle Cap City. Woo! Well, we'll haul it off and dispose of it properly. We got another pretty good signal down here. Let's see, I'm trying not to spray myself with dirt. I know I'm already enough of a dirt hog. Let's see what that could be. Let's see if we bring it up here. Is that it there? Oh wow, that's one very corroded dime, isn't it? But we snagged it. We snagged it, boys. Got it right there, right in our clutches. There's the very first Ripley's, believe it or not, I think back in the 1930s. And that is the famous Church of One Tree. That entire church was built out of just one big redwood tree. And that's the strip that really launched Robert Ripley's career. Ripley's, believe it or not, a native-born Santa Rosan. You can put Robert Ripley in the search box of the videos and you'll see the time. Many times we went and saw his grave out in the Odd Fellows section of the Santa Rosa Memorial Cemetery. I'll remember Richard Crawford. His being dead yet speaketh. 1919. How about that? Very cool part of the park here. Well, there it is, believe it or not. Ooh, I think we're getting a good signal right around in here. What is that? Looks like we got another dime. What? Oh, just a couple dimes. Thank you. A dime's a dime's a dime. Rosie, you're so cheap. I know. There's some people, Chinese people doing Tai Chi over there. I don't know if maybe they're not Chinese, but they're doing it up. Good for, I guess, staying flexible. Okay, there's another coin. Another dime. Wow. People just keep losing them dimes. Ground is soft, but I'm sinking in. I feel like my shoes are getting progressively wet here. Don't know how much longer I'm going to hold out today. Boy, talk about some good luck. We got a double header here. We got a nickel and a dime today. They were right on top of each other. That's pretty cool. That soil with the acidity of the redwoods really takes a toll on the finish, though. I'll tell you. I'm coming down here to the Lake of Doom. That's a very peaceful looking thing that they're doing there, but we got bigger fish to fry right now. So we're going to try along the banks of the Lake of Doom here. Man, that was a blowout down there. Nothing. It's like they got some more people in the gang. I think that's more interesting than my metal detecting today. Nice slow move. It's almost like Michael Jackson just slowed down. Right? 'Cause this is Thriller. Thriller night. Woo! Tell all your friends. We're on another deep dig here. What do we got here? Don't want to overshoot. Let's see, we got it in the clump. Oh, wow. Is that like another dime? What the heck is that? What that is? What the heck is that? Oh, it's another dime. Alright, well, I'll take it. That was easy diggings. Boy, this place is picked clean to the bone, man, today. Picked clean to the bone. I would like to try to get at least 1/4 today before we bag out of here. I only got about an hour to put into this, but I did get something interesting today anyway, if I can figure out what it is. Got some kind of thing of jewelry. I don't know. It looks like it has, I don't know what it is. Looks like a sunshine medallion or something. We'll have to take all this stuff home and clean it up and kind of take a look at it. That's kind of weird looking. Looks like either a button or a brooch or something out here in the tree wells. Always cool stuff. We finally have our first quarter today here. Oh yes, there it is. My day is complete. Yay. Baby's got a little age to it. Not silver though. It's been a quick, fun hour today. I'm going to get out of here while I can still get down the street. The school's going to be letting out soon across from the park here. But quick hour, a lot of fun. I got some few weird looking things. So let's see if we can figure out what they are. Well, there's the haul today. We got a quarter, a nickel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 pennies. And 8 dimes today, but this is kind of cool. I cleaned that up a little bit. That's really old school. I mean, that thing is made of lead. So I don't know whether it came off. Looks like it might have come off some kind of ornamentation, maybe on an old automobile or something. Right. Kind of wild looking. If you guys have any ideas about what that might be, obviously it was connected onto something and then it looks like it got ripped off. And this is pretty cool too. This is pretty old school looking too. It's like a old brooch or something like that. So this is really old when you have that leafing in there. Like a flower. So not a lot of money, but some interesting stuff today. Well, that's gonna do it today. If you have any ideas about that or anything else, let me know in the comment section down below. And not bad for 1 hour. Please share if you enjoyed it. Tell other people about the metal detecting, and as usual, thumbs up are appreciated. Thanks everybody.